Hello, this is Slim Darkdale, and this is the first video in which I hope to be part of a long list of videos regarding biology. And so, without further ado, let us start. If you have not guessed already, this video will be about cells, but let us first tackle some misconceptions about the topic. Here are some statements that I put together, and they are not all correct. Pause the video and try to answer them mentally, or better yet, comment below your answers so that others can compare. Alright, here are the answers. A red blood cell is bigger than an atom. This is true because all cells are bigger than atoms. You see, atoms are very small, and all cells are made up of atoms, so you can just imagine how small atoms are. Cells come in different sizes. This is true because each type of cell has a specific function, and so it only makes sense for it to have different sizes. For example, if you return to the red blood cell, it's small and donut shaped, so it will have a larger surface area, which will help it absorb more oxygen as it travels around the circulatory system of the body. All things are made up of cells. This is not true. All things are made up of atoms, not cells. Animals, plants, and other organisms are made up of cells, but rocks, for example, are not made up of cells. They are made up of atoms. Bacteria is not a cell. If you guessed true, you are only one cell off. You see, bacteria is a single-celled organism. It is classified as a prokaryote because it is single-celled and lacks a membrane around its nucleus. In definition, it is the basic structural, functional, and biological unit of all living organisms. They can be either prokaryotic or eukaryotic. Every living organism is made up of cells, whether it be animal, plant, bacteria, or even the bark of a tree. You can count on there being tons of cells in it. In the human body alone, there are over 30 trillion cells. That is a lot of cells. And what's even more fascinating, that each type of cell has a specific function. Take the red blood cell, for example. They are responsible for carrying oxygen throughout the body, while at the same time removing carbon dioxide from your body by transporting it to the lungs for you to exhale. Speaking of breathing, did you know that it is better to breathe through your nose because the structure of the nose is lined with a thin layer of cells, which help moisten and filter the air coming through? What's more, there are more than billions of reactions taking place in your body per second. And so, I can confidently say that cells are the building blocks of life, the same way how a brick is the building block of a brick wall. Alright, that is it for this episode. This episode generally serves as an introduction to cells. Make sure to like and comment and subscribe too to stay updated when I ever release a new video. And thanks.